Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix battery draining fast overnight on the Motorola Razr 70 Plus. First, go into Settings, navigate to Battery, then go into Battery Usage, and right here you can see which app uses the most battery. Then you can go into Manage Background Apps and see which apps have smart use. Always allow or don't allow excessive battery power while in the background. Here you can change from Always Allow to Smart Use or even Don't Allow. Then go into Battery Saver Schedule and Reminders, and we have a couple of options. Reduce battery drain when inactive uses AI to learn your behavior and limit background apps while your phone is inactive. Set default battery level to set the level at which battery saver turns on. We have turn off at 90%, so battery saver turns off when battery reaches 90%. Battery saver reminders remind us when the battery is low. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.